Hey there, I thought I would drop in and go over some fraction problems because I've had a few questions about those. So please, if you're doing work and your child is struggling, please let me know and I will make a video to try to help them, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and share a couple of the fraction problems that you've seen on your work this week. All right, guys, so you have a couple of problems like this from Monday. The first one says, draw 6 circles and shade 1/2 of them. Now, this is not the exact problem from your work, but it's one similar, so you can practice on this one, and then you can go on to the problems on your packet and get them done by yourself. So I've drawn 6 circles. All right, now we have to shade 1/2 of them. 1/2 means that I need to put them into 2 equal groups. That means 2 groups that have the exact same number of pieces. So I could do, this is one group, this is a group. This can go with this group, this can go with this group. Okay, now this group has 2 and this group has 2. So far they're equal. So I'm going to add one more to this group and I'm going to add one more to this group. Now that's all of my pieces. So I've got 1, 2, 3 in this group and 1, 2, 3 in this group. So I'm going to go ahead and box those in. And now I have 2 equal groups. Now, here's one set and here's the other. If I'm going to have 1/2 of them, that means one of those whole groups is going to be shaded because it says shade 1/2 of them. So if I shade this whole group, that's 1/2, or I could shade this whole group and that would be 1/2. So I'm going to go ahead and shade 1, 2, 3 of them. So 3 is exactly half of 6. So remember, you've got to make your equal groups. All right, guys, so here's another problem. It's got a bigger number, so it's going to be a little bit trickier. But this one says to draw 12 groups and shade 1/4 of them. So 1/4 means that I need to have 4 equal groups. Okay, so what we're going to do, I'm going to use 4 different colors here, and we're going to start doing 4 groups. So this is going to be one group, this is going to be a group, this is going to be a group, and green's going to be a group. So then I'm going to start over. Let's see if I can get another pink one, another purple one, another red one, and another green one. I'm going to start again until I've given them all the same number. So I've got a pink one, a purple one, a red one, and a green one. Okay, now I'm going to see how many of each circle have each color. So how many pink circles do I have? 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to make a group of 3 pink circles. Now let's see how many purple ones I have. 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to do 3 purple circles. And how many red ones? 1, 2, 3. And how many green ones? 1, 2, 3. Okay, so now let's see. I have 4 groups, and they're equal because how many does each group have in it? It has 3. I'm going to box in my groups. Okay, and then if I'm going to shade in 1/4 of them, then I need to shade just one of these groups in. So I'm going to go ahead and shade in my first group. My first group is just like that. So 1/4 of my 12 is 3. Now I just realized that I made a mistake right here. This shouldn't say draw 12 groups. This should say draw 12 circles. Sorry about that. Okay, so if you're still not getting this, be sure to reach back out and I will try my best to explain it a little better. But remember, whatever your fraction is, so if this said 1/3, you would want to come up with 3 equal groups. If it said 1/5, you would need 5 equal groups. So whatever your denominator is is the number of groups that you need to make. And remember, each group must be equal. They have to have, each group must have the same number of pieces, okay? So if you have any more questions, let me know, and I will be glad to make a little video to explain them for you.